pleasant good day to each and everyone. So this is how the weather looking like by me right now. Let me just show you my plants and them little bits. They're totally drenched in this rain and this water. Rain falling. That's my plants under, huh? That's how they're taking that weather. So I just got a new one today. This one in the white container. So this is the cedar trees. Don't mind you just seeing sticks. In a few weeks from now, you won't see none of those sticks. All the leaves would come back. So this is my bay leaf tree. I'm trying to keep them small, so I plant them in a pot to stand the growth, so I could get fresh bay leaf. And this one here is my tree of life, moringa. This also I plant in a pot to stand the growth, so that I could get fresh leaves. So some of you might know this as spinach. They normally just can it in America and call it spinach, or they call it greens. We have this growing here, the leaf. You could eat it raw or you could cook it. There's an Indian name for it also. I also have this vine growing here. So a lot of things that I grow is very much edible and good for your body and good to eat. So some people know this as Ice Bright. Some people know it by all different type of name. They also make a healthy coffee. The root, they patch it until it's black and they grind it and make coffee. This is a superfood. This is a very healthy thing for your body. Of course, I have Shining Bush. It's a number one favorite among the local people who drink herbs and cooling and stuff like that. It also can be cooked and eaten just like that. You could also eat it raw if you have the stomach for it. It doesn't taste bad, it actually tastes good. So as you see, I have a healthy patch of Shining Bush. And for the local lovers of spinach, sometimes we call this bhaji too. Spinach bhaji. This is also a superfood. Has a good iron content. We make bhaji rice with it, among other things. So some of you might ask, what is that? Some people call it Joseph coat. Some people have scientific names for it, all different type of names. It's good for a number of things, including cancer. You could also make teas and stuff like that with it. It's also just planted for beautification in a lot of places. So this is my newest cactus that I received today. This is very nice. You should see when it have plenty of this, how nice it does look. So every herb garden has one of this. It's a rosemary. And here I have a beautiful specimen of my very own plant growing here. It's a young plant, now establishing roots and now establishing a branch system and stuff like that. So if you watch here, you might just say it's bush, but it's not just bush. This is tarragon. It's fish seasoning. This here is fine thyme. This here is our famous shadow benny in Trinidad and Tobago. We all grind this and put it in meat. We put it in chow, we put it in salad, we eat it raw. It's shadow benny. It's a favorite among Trinidad Caribbean lovers. People in Trinidad and Tobago use a lot in all type of dishes. This here is the famous arrowroot. This is the arrowroot, how it looks. Arrowroot is, you make porridge and stuff like that with the root for babies. We also have what Jamaicans call the tree of life. This here, we don't call it the tree of life. We have a different name for it. But this leaf also is used for medicine purposes, and you could also eat it raw. Of course, I have other plants that is nutritious and good for the body, and I'll show you it now. So here I have mint. Some people say peppermint. It's the same mint that you make tea and stuff like that with. And here I have orange mint. It's a different type of mint. These are two beautiful specimens of mint that we have here. And what would a garden be without our famous aloe vera? We have a beautiful aloe vera plant here with lots of little plants coming up. It's a family favorite. It's good for a number of things. It's very healthy to consume aloe vera. It's also a cleanser to the body. So here I have my very own lime tree. And as you can see closely, it's sending flowers. It's sending buds. That's a bud there. It has flowers on this side as well. Let me show you. Has a flower right here. See? That's a flower right there. So don't mind the tree small. Just now we'll get lime from it. So this is one of my bearing trees. This one has lime, as you can see. Someone's stealing my lime. It had a whole lot more. Nevertheless, tree is still laden. As you can see, it have a lot of lime on it. A lot of green ones coming up as well. Let me show you. See how a bunch of lime just grow? So we have the famous fever grass, which some people call it lemongrass. This is a beautiful patch of lemongrass here. Big nice patch. Also we have soursop in the background there. We boil this leaf and draw it to sleep. It helps with sleeping and stuff like that. That's soursop. So I bet when you guys see this, you think that these two plants is the same thing. But this one actually is a citrulina. This here is a citrulina, and the next one is a fever grass. They look exactly the same, but they are different. And you would know if you smell it. If you break a piece and you smell it, you would know. So this here is citrulina. If you burn this, it runs mosquito and insects and stuff like that. Next one, you could drink it. You could season meat. You could boil your pork and stuff like that in the water to make it have a nice flavor. So we have a lot of things that look like, but it's not the same. So there you have it, folks. I take approximately almost 9 minutes to show you guys some herbs and some of the stuff that I plant. This here is really awesome. It needs no care, no attention. This is my rock garden. This has been standing here for months. If you touch it, however, it could fall. And the rain doesn't throw it down, the breeze doesn't throw it down. So this is my rock garden right here. So that's all, folks. Don't forget to live, love, and laugh. I'll leave you with a beautiful photo of my rock garden.